New car prices hit an all-time high, almost $52,000. That's the highest we've seen since 2023. But that's not the thing that should make you so mad, because the advertised price isn't the real problem. The bait and switches, market adjustments, and sneaky add-ons you never asked for, fees that nobody ever mentioned, all of a sudden you're paying thousands more than what was advertised online. We watch pricing data every single day, and when prices are already at a record high, that gap between online price and actual price is real. This is where people quietly get crushed. So know the real number before you walk in. Save this so you don't get played on your next car.